All of us at the Transportation Department would like to welcome back our Fulton County School students. We have missed you. There have been some changes while you were gone, and we're going to introduce them to you in this video titled New School Bus Safety Procedures for Students. When your school bus door opens and you see your driver, they will have a face mask on. They may also have a face shield and gloves on. We know this may be a little scary, especially for younger riders, but with the help of your parents and teachers, we know that you will learn this is all for your protection. Students, we are asking that you arrive at the bus stop 5 minutes early and stay in a safe location off the road when you are waiting at the bus stop. You should be practicing good social distancing with your friends, making sure that there's plenty of space between you and others. Elementary students should line up in grade levels starting with 5th grade, going down to pre-K, so that smaller students are up front. If you have a younger sibling, we suggest you sit with them. We would also like to encourage you and your parents to wear a face mask if you have one. We wear ours to keep you safe, so help us stay safe and wear yours. Once the bus has stopped and your driver signals that it is safe for you to load the bus, walk to the bus in a safe manner and board the school bus. Try to maintain good social distancing as you are getting on the bus. We understand this may take a little time, but want you to be safe. Remember, your bus driver won't leave you at the bus stop. Your driver will greet you with good morning or good afternoon. Remember to greet your driver also. Please tell your bus driver your name, for this will help them to learn it. If you are in middle school or high school, there will only be 2 students per seat. If you are in elementary school, you can still sit 3 to a seat, pre-K, kindergarten, and 1st grade in the first few seats. If your bus is equipped with seat belts, please buckle up. This is for your safety. If you need assistance, please ask your driver for help with your seat belt. When you arrive at the school, please do not leave your seat until it is your turn to get off the bus. We do not want our students crowding the aisle. This is to help you with some social distancing as you are getting off the bus. Your bus driver will dismiss students from front to back, so please wait for the driver to tell you it is your turn. If you are wearing a seat belt, please make sure you unfasten it while waiting your turn. On your way off the bus, you will notice a hand sanitizing station to the right of the door. We encourage all students to use this when getting on or off the bus to help everyone be safe. This will take a little more time to load or unload, so we will ask you for extra patience. Our older students will need to maintain good social distancing as they make their way to the school. The afternoon bus ride, we ask that our students make their way to the bus, we would like to remind them to practice good social distancing. When you get on the bus, please remember to use the hand sanitizing station by the door. For safety purposes, to prevent students in the back of the bus from having to pass other students that are seated, students will no longer be able to sit by grade level for everyone's safety. Students will now be asked to be seated by stops. So students that get off at the last stop will need to be seated in the back of the bus, working forward stop by stop, and the students that get off at the first stop will need to sit up front. Again, with pre-K, kindergarten, and 1st grade students sitting in the first few seats. Remember to buckle up if you have seat belts and ask your driver for assistance. We know this will take some getting used to, so we ask for your patience and understanding as we all adjust to this new seating order. Always remain seated while the bus is in motion. Continue to remain seated until your driver tells you it is safe to get off the bus. Remember, when getting off the bus, do not crowd the aisleway or stairs. Wait for the person in front of you to move and try to keep some social distancing. Don't forget to give everyone time and space to use the sanitizing station. Pre-K, kindergarten, and first grader will need to be met by a parent or guardian when exiting the bus. We ask you to go straight to your parent or guardian. Now let's review. Please maintain good social distancing at the bus stop in the morning and afternoon. Use the hand sanitizing station when getting on and off the bus. Please use your seatbelt if your bus is equipped with them. At the school, your driver will dismiss you seat by seat. When loading in the afternoon, load the last stop in the back of the bus, working forward stop by stop with the first stop in the front. Pre-K, kindergarten, and first graders will be seated in the first few seats. As we make our way with a more consistent schedule, we will work towards assigned seating for all students. Do not crowd the aisleway and stairs, and try to keep good social distancing. We know this is going to be a big adjustment, not only for the drivers, but for all our parents and students. These new safety procedures are set in place to protect you and your driver. We look forward to seeing each and every one of you when we return to our schools and classrooms.